So I ran into a problem yesterday. I decided to install an aftermarket head unit, but I clearly missed a step and did not wire correctly the first time. So after I fixed the wiring, put everything back together, and went to fire up the car, the engine would not turn over. I took the automatic digital multimeter and wanted to rule out the basics. Battery connections look good, no corrosion, terminals are tight. I've got power. The battery is not the issue. My money's on a fuse. I'm gonna use continuity mode. That's the mode that beeps when the current can flow through. Beeping means the fuse is good. Now every car is a little different, but most have two fuse boxes, one under the dash on the driver's side and one under the hood. Most panels have a diagram printed on the inside of the cover. It tells you which fuse is which. If yours does not have one or it's worn off, just check your owner's manual. I'm looking for anything related to ignition, radio, or accessories. Found it. That really saved me. You just match your red and black leads to the corresponding ports. You can see the filament is totally burned through. This is a 15 amp fuse in the ignition circuit. Pro tip, the beauty of testing with a multimeter versus just eyeballing fuses, some blown fuses look fine. The filament inside can break in a way you can't see. Make sure to always replace with the same amperage fuse. Don't go higher thinking it'll fix the problem, because that's how fires start. And you don't need that. The fuse is rated to protect wiring, not your convenience. To recap, when time is of the essence or you just want to work smarter and not harder, multimeter. You'll thank me later.